Hi there, my name is Jeff Janelle. I'm going to be your instructor for intermediate web page design. And I wanted to take a few seconds and just kind of go over what our course looks like in Blackboard. We use Blackboard heavily throughout the semester for projects, exercises, and for your grades. Okay, so once you log into Blackboard and find our course, you'll end up on the dashboard. Snapshot of what you have due, what's coming due, what you may be past due on. It has announcements, so the last two announcements are there. I do utilize the announcements section pretty heavily throughout the semester, so make sure you're always checking announcements or check your Atlas email because I send them there as well. Next up, we have the Getting Started section. Your syllabus and schedule can be found here, and it's very important that you always are checking the syllabus and the schedule throughout the semester. The syllabus will tell you what my expectations are for the class. It'll let you know how grade points are broken down for your overall final grade, and generally any information you need to know throughout the semester about the class. The schedule will break down your homework, your project due dates, and everything you need to know to keep you on task and on time during the semester. They will be available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through Blackboard. Next up, we have resources. And in the resource section, which you'll find here, you'll see your FTP information for uploading your projects to Valencia Web Studio. We have a link to our Facebook group and to our Slack channel. And then I have a list of a variety of resources for you that you can use when you're working on your projects and your exercises. Make sure that you always check back here. Remember, I've got examples that will be used in all of your projects. So anything you need help with when we're not in class, you should check here first. Finally, you have the My Grades section under Getting Started. All of your grades will be listed in Blackboard throughout the entire semester. You'll also find comments on every grade. So make sure you are checking your grades, and you'll see here one that says final grade. This is the running total of your final grade in the class. This is what you will be getting on your report card at the end of the semester. Next up, we have the course materials. All your projects and your exercises can be found on Blackboard. Projects are broken down as follows. You have a project description in one section. You have a deliverable listing of all the things that are required of you. And finally, you have the submission section. So if we go back to the top, you'll see that the description is broken down by what you're working on in the project, what are the deliverables you have for the project, meaning what do you have to turn in, and how the grade is broken down. Then each one of these sections for deliverables will actually break down exactly what I'm looking for and what you'll get graded on. Finally, at the end is your submission area. When you're done, you will need to submit to both Valencia Web Studio and Blackboard. In here, you'll find a detailed description of how I want all your files named, how I want it uploaded. Make sure you're checking in here and reading the description before you upload files. Don't lose points on things you don't need to lose points on because you didn't read the instructions. Next up is exercises. Now, not all of your exercises will always be listed here. Some of the exercises I will be working with you in class on, but if there is an exercise that you take home or you need specific information, you can find it here in the exercise section. We won't be utilizing the discussion section as much this semester in this class, but from time to time there may be extra credit assignments that are based in discussions. So keep an ear out for those and check on those regularly. So this is Blackboard for our course. I hope this helped you understand how we're going to use it this semester and that you make sure that you're tuning into Blackboard frequently throughout the semester and throughout the time that we're not in class.